Hi, my name is Muhammad Hirfan and I'm going to show you how the B-Spot Detector works. And this system uses an ultrasonic sensor mounted on the side of the motorcycle. This sensor continuously measures the distance of objects beside the rider. If an object is detected within a critical range, a warning is triggered using LED as visual alert and vibrator as a sensor. In the video, you can see the sensor in action as an object moves into the blind spot range and the alert is activated immediately. During the simulation, as the simulated vehicle enters the blind zone, the system responded in real time. This mimics how the setup will work in an actual riding scenario, giving the rider crucial awareness of nearby hazards.